Hey guys, let's do a squishy haul. We will do this later in the video. This is so big. Let's start off with a real dumpling. In all of my other videos, I thought they were real, but apparently they're fake. So I got a real RMS one. So let's open it up. The color I want is obviously the gummy bear one, this gummy bear edition, or the purple one. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Is this like the glitter? Is this the glitter? It's glittery. I think it might be the glitter. Okay, I hope I don't get a duplicate, but that's okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at this one. Not a duplicate. It's really cute. I hope I get the gummy bear. One more. I don't want a duplicate, but yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got a duplicate. I don't know if this is a glitter or not. I'm going to search it up. I'm going to search it up on Google. They're heavy, so I actually think it is. Okay, I got 3 of these like banana, like Neato texture things. Look at how cute this is. Let's squish it. And it's sticky, and guess what? I love sticky. Okay, this blue one is very cute. Same texture. I love it. Here's the green one. Ooh, this one's hard. It's harder than all of them. I love this one also. I love all of them. Now we have the massive butter. Here it is. Let's squish it. Oh my gosh, I love this. So I'm gonna have my brother show one because he got one too. This is his. This is his. So yeah. If he gets the gummy bear one, I'm gonna steal it from him. Okay, Charlie, here's your dumpling that you got from Mom. He got one too. Yeah, I just told you. Okay, open it up. Here, let me help you. What if you get a glitter? Will you be happy? He got the glitter!
Wait, this is the first one I ever got.
Oh, his first dumpling is the glitter. That's crazy. Charlie, are you excited?
Oh, thank you.
I still have like the purple dumpling on the... I need to get that down, but I'm so lazy. Oh, he's gonna go on my bar. All right, thanks for watching me. Bye.
Wait, I think I could get it off.
Bye.